What's happening, y'all? It's Josh, Drive the Coast. Just got this absolutely gorgeous 1969 Pontiac GTO convertible. This is a 242 VIN car. Does have the Pontiac 400 motor, also with power steering, power brakes, and a power top, working great. Do a quick walk around video. We can check out the paint, check out the new shoes. Got brand new PMD wheels on it with redline tires. Absolutely sets the car off nicely. This is Matador red, so almost a burgundy color. Super nice. Nice body panels. Underside's also super clean. But still got the fuzzies on the tires here. They're brand new. So nice feature there. Top's also in great shape. If you hop on the website, there's some pictures with the car up, power top, dropping it back. All works great. Rear bumper looks good. View of the driver's side. Like I said, paint and body's nice. As far as rust and body, also really clean. See the bottom of the doors. Don't have anything on them. Really nice there. I just rolled all these windows down. They're all working like they should. Door panels look great. Got the original wood grain steering wheel there. Obviously bucket seats, console, automatic 400. Really nice boot cover as well. Fits nice and tight. My arm is in a cast right now, so don't make fun of the left-handed start here. Oh. Alright, y'all, we hopped into GTO. Gonna pull her out of the shop here, take her down the road, see how she does. Beautiful day here in Florida. Effortless to turn that power steering. Yeah. Solid driving car. Really tracking straight going down the road. Shakes, no rattles. We do have all the windows up and the top up because it's like 40 degrees outside. Even in Florida. But man, this car drives great. Love to see it. Speedo, we're doing about 45. Like it. Yeah, we do have nationwide shipping and financing available. Let me know how I can earn your business. This is Josh at Drive the Coast. Thanks for watching.